わかったんかれ本かしられをひてかれほうやて投げたんかれたんかしられ吐き捨てたれほうやて We are わかんなねひぴ We are 泣かせじなほうやてへいへいへいやへいやへいやほうわかったんかれわかったんかれわかったんかれわかったんかれ We are わかんな We are わかんな We are わかんな We are わかんな
Okay, today's ride is around the other side of Eagle Lake. Yesterday we did the north end. Today we're doing the south part of Eagle Lake. And some of this is a filming location. There's an Amazon series, now in its second season, that was filmed here called The Lake. And here come my ready partner. Okay, some more information. There's a Mikasu Provincial Park down here. We're going to ride through there. And so the lake, it's a movie, a TV show, and, pardon me, there's a car coming. So you can watch the show. It's a little quirky. It's not, the target audience is not the kind of people who live on a lake up here, but more like college crowd, so juvenile humor and that stuff. So it's mildly entertaining, but it shows good scenes of this lake, including this little store that we rode past just a moment ago, and friends on the car. All right, on with the ride. Oh, some nice daisies on the side of the road. So hopefully it's not as hilly as yesterday, because I might be on the other side of those daisies, pushing up on them. All right, see you in the next yard, Eagle Lake and Mikasu Provincial Park. They have camping. They have nice access to the lake. You can drop your boat in. You can bring tent camping or camper camping. And then there's a couple trails through here. We walked this one over here, and they have a really amazing Frisbee golf course, like brand new. It's really nice. So, all right, one warning, they don't have flush toilets. And the second warning is they have mosquitoes. So I guess that's part of campground unless they have mosquitoes. And horse rain. So here we are at Mikasu Provincial Park. My helper's over there. This is where they put the boat in. So the cabin that we're staying in is over there. So sometimes we do the jet ski around here. It's quite nice. Okay, filming location, primary filming location. Because of pandemic, this hockey camp was closed. So Amazon producers hired it for the set, and they built mock-ups of all the facilities, the cabins, the docks, the main recreation hall and such here. So this is the primary filming location, and this is where we're stopping for a rest. All right, here we are with a true Canadian, and we're shopping for true Canadian attire, which comes in variety of plaid. You can have red on black or black on red. Yeah, and there we go. Even the bikinis are plaid flannel.
You're giving Canadians a bad name.
No, that's a good name. Plaid flannel's good. And then and this is in the summer. So what do they have in the winter? All right, so we're in the store that was featured in the movie. So this counter behind me was actually in the movie, filming location. It had a different name, and they had a electric car charger outside. Now they have a gas charger. All right, so here we are by Canadian Woodpile. And then this is the store that's in the first episode of the TV show. It's and then that gas pump is actually a electric pump in the TV show. All right, so we finished the ride of South Eagle Lake, and for a while there I dreaded that we were going to redo one of the hills we did yesterday, which was like uphill for like 1,000 miles it seemed, but it turned out we didn't. But we did get some ice cream, thank goodness. And so I'm going to stay here and rest a while, so see you later. Hello there. I have finished my nap on the ground after that 18-mile ride along hilly roads in the hot sun. Now I'm suffering on this lake, cooling off. Care to join me? I knew you would. Grab a floaty, grab a jet ski. I think there's even a sailboat behind me. Yesterday we saw a unicorn. No moose, just unicorn. So we'll keep looking for the moose. Oh, we did see a porcupine crossing the road, which is there's got to be a joke in there somewhere about the chicken crossing the road, porcupine crossing the road. If I think of one, I'll turn the record button back on. But in the meantime, enjoy. See ya. Hey, 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 hey.